So here's what I have going on with this kind of a question here. It asks if they're parallel or perpendicular. This used to be a super common question all the time that got asked. It very rarely gets asked anymore, but it doesn't mean it's gone away completely. So if I have two equations of lines and I want to know if they're parallel and perpendicular, I need the slopes, because then I'll examine their slopes and I'll see exactly what's going on with them. So I'm going to take both of these equations and I'm going to solve them for y so that I know what their slopes are. So negative 3y equals 9 minus 6x. Divide everything by negative 3. And I'm going to get y equals, going to be negative 3 in the calculator. Negative over negative is positive. So positive 6 over 3. I could put actually positive 2 if I want to, but I'm going to leave it like that for a second so I can talk about what happens. So the slope of that line right there is positive 6 over 3. Then I'll take this one. So minus 8x minus 8x. And I get negative 4y equals 8 minus 8x divided by negative 4. I get y equals negative 2 plus 8 over 4x. So the slope of that one is positive 8 over 4. Now, one of the things I have to be super careful with when I'm doing a question like this is fractions do reduce. And while I tell you that you don't need to reduce them unless it really is necessary, in this case it would be necessary because I don't know if those are equal unless I actually reduce them. If I reduce 6 over 3, I'm going to get positive 2 for my slope for that one. 8 over 4 is also going to give me positive 2. Just wanted to know, are they parallel or perpendicular? It could be neither, but these are definitely parallel because slopes are equal. Okay, now, are we going to get a question like that on something that we're doing? It's unlikely because it just doesn't happen a whole lot anymore, but that's where you're showing more understanding of these situations because you're telling whether or not these things are actually parallel or perpendicular.